Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about how to find angle of incidence and angle of reflection in case of plane mirror. Okay. Suppose we are having this plane mirror with the short oblique lines on one side. Suppose an incident ray falls on the mirror obliquely, okay, making an angle 30 degree with the mirror. So this angle is 30 degree, okay. An incident ray falls on the mirror at an angle of 30 degree. So what we have to do, we have to find the angle of incidence as well as angle of reflection. Dear students, if you remember, we have done what is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and normal. Okay. Now this angle is between incident ray and mirror. This is not the angle of incidence. First of all, we will draw the normal here at the point of incidence. This is normal. So this angle will be angle of incidence. If you remember, we have done what is normal. Normal is a line drawn perpendicularly to the mirror at the point of incidence. If this is the mirror, then this will be the normal. That is, this whole angle will be 90 degree. Here, this complete angle will be 90 degree. Now, if you want to find out this angle of incidence, how would you find? Angle of incidence will be equal to 90 minus 30. That will be equal to 60 degree. Okay. So, we have got angle of incidence to be 60 degree. Now, what will be the angle of reflection? This will be the angle of reflection. And this also will be equal to 60 degree. Okay, the angle between incident ray and normal at the point of incidence is angle of incidence. The angle between reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence, this is called angle of reflection. I hope it is clear to you. Now remember one thing. If an incident ray falls normally to the mirror, okay, suppose this is the mirror, okay, an incident ray falls perpendicularly to the mirror. Normally means perpendicularly to the mirror. So this is the incident ray and this is the point of incidence, okay, and here reflected ray will also be same. Remember this thing. If incident ray falls perpendicularly to the mirror or normally to the mirror, then incident ray, normal and reflected ray, they will be same. Okay. And here angle of incidence will be equal to 0 because there is no angle between incident ray and reflected ray. Angle of incidence will be 0 degree. Angle of reflection will also be equal to 0 degree. Okay. One more thing. Whenever any incident ray falls on a mirror perpendicularly, then after reflection, it goes back following the same path. means incident ray is coming this way, ठीक है, then reflected ray will also go the same way in the opposite direction. This is called the principle of reversibility. What is principle of reversibility? According to principle of reversibility, when an incident ray falls perpendicularly to the mirror, after reflection, it goes back following the same path. This is called the principle of reversibility. Thank you.